Hey everyone, today I am excited to review two new products, the Anker Prime 27650 mAh power bank and the Anker Prime power bank in 65 watt fusion. This video is sponsored by Anker, one of my top favorite brands. I have been a dedicated user of Anker brand since 2015 and their consistent quality has earned my trust. Anker's products have proven to be highly reliable, especially for my high-end studio setup. This Anker Prime 27650 mAh power bank is a compact 250 watt powerful device that delivers 250 watt of multi-device fast charging through its two USB-C and one USB-A port. Powered by the latest PD 3.1 technology, it can charge a MacBook Pro 16-inch to 50% in just 28 minutes. This small power bank has enough capacity to charge a 13-inch MacBook Air over 1.2 times or an iPhone 14 nearly 5 times. You can download Anker Smart app, which provides real-time stats and helps optimize charging. Plus, the most important thing, it has a TSA approved for carry-on at 99.54 watt-hour. The package includes a 140 watt USB-C cable, a travel pouch, and 24 months warranty. The second product we are looking at is the Anker Prime power bank, a true game changer in portable charging. With its 65 watt high-speed charging capability, it provides impressive power for everything from laptops to multiple devices simultaneously. Despite its robust performance, the 9600 mAh battery is compact enough to slip into your pocket or bag with case. The package includes the Anker Prime power bank, a USB-C to USB-C cable, a travel pouch, and a 24-month warranty. Combining size power, this power bank is a must-have for anyone on the go. I highly recommend checking out the Anker's products. You are likely to be pleased with whatever you order from them. That's all for today. Please subscribe and leave your comments below if you have any questions. Stay tuned and until next time.